In 2026, the tech industry is changing faster than it ever has. And for beginners, it feels like the ground is moving under your feet. People are asking the scary question: is AI replacing tech jobs? The honest answer is AI is not replacing every job, but it is replacing tasks. And tasks are what entry level workers used to do. That means the biggest impact is happening at the bottom of the ladder: interns, juniors, assistants, and new grads. And if you're trying to enter tech right now, you need to understand one thing: the rules have changed. A few years ago, you could learn one skill, build a portfolio, apply repeatedly, and eventually get hired. In 2026, you need something more. You must know how to work with AI, not against it, because companies aren't just hiring people who can do tasks, they're hiring people who can produce results faster than ever. So today, I'm going to show you what's actually happening in tech jobs right now. Which jobs are being affected the most, which jobs remain safe, and what beginners must learn to survive and win in this new era. Let's start with the big change. AI is now your coworker. Whether you're a developer, a designer, a marketer, a data analyst, or even a customer support agent, AI is already inside your workflow. Think of it like this. In the past, you were hired to do the work. Now you're hired to manage the work, and AI handles a big part of it. This is why entry-level roles are shrinking, because if AI can handle the basic tasks, companies don't need as many junior workers doing those tasks. For example, writing simple code, formatting documents, writing product descriptions, summarizing meetings, drafting emails. AI tools can do this instantly. And that changes hiring decisions. But this doesn't mean tech is dead. Not at all. What's happening is a shift. The people who learn the new rules will rise faster than ever. In fact, AI is creating a new type of beginner, the AI-powered beginner, a person who can do the job of 3 people because they know which tools to use and how to use them. That means you don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You need to be the most efficient person. And efficiency is the new currency in the tech world. Now, let's talk about the roles being affected the most. Number 1, customer support and chat operations. AI chat assistants now handle thousands of tickets 24 hours a day with near perfect responses. Number 2, simple content and copywriting tasks. Companies that once hired juniors to write blog drafts now generate content with AI and only hire humans to edit and improve it. Number 3, junior design work. AI generates mockups, icons, and layouts in seconds, meaning entry-level designers must now focus on branding, storytelling, and taste. But here's the twist. Some roles are becoming more valuable. Cybersecurity, for example, is exploding because AI also powers scams, deepfakes, and hacking tools. The more AI grows, the more security jobs become essential. Data engineering is also growing because AI systems need clean data to work well. And AI product roles are rising. People who can build, test, and monitor AI tools inside real businesses. So yes, some doors are closing, but bigger doors are opening. Now the biggest question: what should beginners learn in 2026? First, learn a core skill, but pair it with AI. If you're learning coding, learn how to use AI for debugging, documentation, and rapid prototyping. If you're learning design, learn how to use AI for ideation and drafts, then polish it with human taste. If you're learning marketing, learn how to use AI for research, content strategy, and ad testing. Second, build proof of work, not certificates. In 2026, the market is full of certificates. Everybody has them. What hiring managers want is simple. Show me what you can build. Show me a project, show me a product, show me a system. Even a small project is powerful if it proves you understand the workflow. Third, learn communication. AI can do tasks, but it cannot replace trust. Clients and companies still want humans who understand the goal, ask smart questions, and deliver clearly. Communication turns you from a worker into a professional. Fourth, learn speed with quality. AI rewards people who can deliver fast, but punishment comes to people who deliver garbage fast. So you must combine speed and quality. That is the real advantage. Finally, here's the mindset that will make you unstoppable. Don't compete with AI. Use AI like a machine and become the human brain behind it. The winners of 2026 are not the people who fear AI. They are the people who learn it, master it, and build with it. The world still needs builders, creators, and problem solvers. So if you're a beginner, this is not the end. This is your advantage. Because you're learning in the future, not the past. So at this point, I like to add that everyone should learn to work with AI to achieve goals faster and not see the machine as competition, because a lot can be done with Unity. And if well understood, can lead to high efficiency and fast ways to complete jobs, just like using farm machines on the farm instead of crude tools. This is important to take note of because I like to compare AI with farm machines. Back then, people used crude tools like hoe and machete to clear farmlands for planting, and it took days to do so for big farmlands and lots of money paid to many laborers, but that's not the case today. Farm machines, just like AI, was introduced to help clear the land faster in hours instead of days, and guess what? It's humans that operates the farm machines. So in reality and in tech, AI can work with humans for high efficiency. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.